My name's Luke Hilden. I'm a senior instructor for the Porsche Track Experience and I'm here to facilitate the GT2 RS Owners Day. So Tailem Bend is the perfect place to exploit these cars. It's the second longest track outside of the Nürburgring in the world, so very challenging to learn. So we've split actually the track up into two parts. So in the morning we actually run the West Circuit and the East Circuit. We swap them over, and then in the afternoon we'll combine for the full GT circuit, which is almost 8 kilometres in length.
This event is unbelievable when you get here. There's 43 virtually new GT2 RSs, and that enables the customers and the owners of the cars to actually see what they can really do. I mean, you wouldn't have a chance to do anything like this on the road, obviously. But of course, when you get on a track with no one here, you can actually see how fast the car will go and see how to drive it properly, which is brilliant.
It's a great honor for me to be here. I was involved quite a lot with the development of the car, so it's nice to see all the enthusiasm and joy the people have using their car on track. The car is a good daily driver, can be used on the streets, on the autobahn, but also if you want to go to the track like we do today, the car can be set up perfectly for a track day, and it's just super quick. I think the whole package is just perfect.
So the pool of instruction talent is awesome here at Porsche, so a huge amount of experience. I think 200 odd Bathurst 1000 start, so the guys are in good hands out there. Also doing some laps in the GT4, brand new race car, so it's an awesome experience.
I mean, they are all car fans and Porsche fans, supercar fans, but they're especially Porsche GT2 RS fans, and this is what you really get when you talk to them.
I've been a Porsche man ever since I first drove one, to be honest. They're just so reliable and just so great. Every time you think, how are they going to better this? They do, and they're still doing it, as we see with the new GT2 RS.